now we're rolling through the little town of Bodega, and they've got a really cool, what they're selling, like a yard sale. They've got a surf shop. One of the first in the United States was the Northern Light Surf Shop, even before the ones down south in LA and down that area. It was all about the Northern California and surfing up here from Santa Cruz right on up the coast. So we finished our little chooch up to the schoolhouse featured in the movie The Birds. And of course, you'll remember in the movie The Birds, they were all holed up in a cafe at Bodega Bay, and then some dope drove in his car, and the birds got into his window, and he ended up driving his car into the gas pump and blew up the gas pump. And the whole town just went freaking nuts, and the people ran out and escaped. I guess the birds ate everybody there. I don't know, who the hell knows. You can see now we're moving through a very tall stand of eucalyptus trees, and California hates eucalyptus trees because these things burn, and these things throw off fireballs when they catch fire. So anytime they can press to cut these down, they like to, but the people here go crazy. You're not cutting a tree down, you know, so they have to fight that. We're now going to be swinging northward on the very famed Pacific Coast Highway, Route 1 here. And Route 1 goes all the way from down at the Mexican border, I believe, all the way up to Oregon, and it follows the coast all the way up. And you get some of the most dramatic and beautiful footage that you get anywhere in the United States. So we're going to trip up a little northward here, a couple miles, and then we'll turn down and we'll double back and come south. And then we'll head over and see some of the sights. But for now, there'll be a lot of good sights to see. Alright guys, I'm out here with the Missy girl, Murphy girl on the job, showing you the sights. And look over there, you can see the spectacular Pacific Ocean. And it is, guys, it is, I don't know what the hell this lady is doing. Oh shit! The hell was she doing looking in the car, you know? Anyway, there's the spectacular ocean views there. Yeah, keep an eye on the car for a minute. We gotta lock that mofo. Yeah, there we go.
I look my car, it's not my car.
Yeah, not your car, right? No problem. It's not your car, babe. Sorry. So I got that extreme Motorola Extreme modem I don't want to lose. I hope it's not too windy here as I video. But what a beautiful view, and how fun today to have Jen out on the ocean. And you can see her, she's like a kid in this candy store, and it is cold as a witch's tit out here. It is windy. When we came over the last hills over here, the temperature dropped from about 74 degrees to 59 degrees. Even when it's 100 degrees in Santa Rosa, which is about 15 miles this way, I guarantee it's always in the 50s and low 60s over here. So you're not going to see the Rosie girl flouncing around in a bikini here. You will see that when we're down in San Diego later this later this summer. We have to wait to San Diego to go swimming. I'm freezing! My headlights are on. I locked you out of the car too. But you can see the beautiful views. And it's probably a little more sheltered down below. You don't have that wind like up here, but this is the start of Salmon Creek coming through here, and it's a tidal sort of run. It's a river that's driven by the tide. When high tide comes in, and the river fills up, and when it's low tide, look, it appears to be now, it's you can see the sandbar that stops the water from coming in. I'm hoping the volume is okay. I apologize, guys, because it is very windy out here today, but this is really big doings for Jen, coming from the heartland of American stuff to see the Pacific. So I am, I hope my headlights are on. I am cold. And I guess our crabbing season is now winding down. You can see the boats over here left. weigh about 60 pounds a pop to drop them down. They'll put them down and come back a few days later and pull them up. And boy, if you've never had Dungeness crabs, they are very heavy and very meaty. I grew up on blue crabs in the East Coast. I think blue crabs taste a little bit better, but they don't have as much as meat in them. So we'll just be working our way around here, and now we'll be heading up the hill, catching another very wild scene. Here we go. We're up on our second stop of the day. We're heading up the bluff to see if we can see some whales. Kind of windy. Sorry about the sound if you can't hear the sound. No, it's okay. Thank you. Looks like a whalebone. Whalebone there. Whale vertebrate.
Probably gray whale?
It's only young ones.
Really? Just a guess. I'm trying to remember what goes through here.
What's the one we're looking for? We have
Sorry we missed it.
Okay. See, Jen is running her own program there. And let me tell you, it is cold. She knows why I told her to bring a jacket here. Ooh, it is chilly. We're going to get a really spectacular view up off of here. Looks like Sophie Poodle, Dan. Beautiful wild views here, and these people are out here looking for whales right now. Like the tide is starting to come in now. They said there were a couple of whales out here earlier today.
Come on, Mama.
You look like you're cold. You just wondered, and now you know why nobody, even though we live about 20 minutes from the ocean, why nobody ever swims here or goes to the beach here, because yeah, I guarantee it's 85 degrees in Santa Rosa, about 18 miles east of where we are, and it's about 58 degrees here. So, you see a whale?
I think I saw a glimpse of one.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I think we're going to do a little more selfie vids here and then get something to...
I think I'm going to come back at a warmer day for the whale watch.
Well, you know, if you get one more day of it every 5 minutes. So you do see the whales, that's exciting. Yeah, I sure don't.
He wouldn't be there anymore. He'd be spinning.